start to make a project on Scratch. It's a very nice program. I'm gonna teach you to make a game, jumping chick game. Let's see how it's going to be at the last. And then we are going to make it. This is a chick. It's going to jump up to the egg. See, the egg is going and it needs to jump. The score is also when you jump from the egg, it's two because it. Let's start how we do it. Now we are going to add characters or two sprites. I'm gonna choose a chick. I'm gonna have this cat. I'm gonna bring an egg. I'm going to apply backgrounds. You have two choices. I can use blue sky 2 or blue sky. I love blue sky more than blue sky 2. And I'm going to put the chick here and the egg here. The egg is like the chick, so I'm going to make it 80 to be a little small. Yeah, like this. Now let's start with the chick. Now we're going to take on events. When space key is pressed, when the chick jumps, what do you like? Wanna click on space, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, and any arrow, anything, and ABC, yeah, and all the letters. Okay, I'm going to choose space key. Then we're going to take start sound strip. I'm going to tell you what's the sound of strip now. 1 minute. Yeah, this is the sound. Okay, it's for chicks. Yeah, they already made it. Now we're going to make on control. We are going to repeat 10 and go on mention. We are going to take change by 10. Gonna duplicate this. I'm going to choose it minus 10, and I'm going to check this again, duplicate. Wait, now this deleted, and put this here. Now see, now wait, I'm going to put the check down. See, yeah, how it's doing it, jumping. Okay, now we're going to do on the egg. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, let's start. We're gonna make one on events. When flag clicked, we're going on blocks, hide, and then we are going on control. Wait 1 second. And then we're going also on locks, show, and then going also control, forever, and then going to mention. Go to this and take this, put this here, put the next here. You can change the numbers if you want. I'm going to change the numbers. Yeah, I'm going to change the numbers. Y it's going to be, no, I'm going to make Y. I'm just going to put Y. I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to make it 2 4 X. Let me change here. Delete it. I don't know this way is going. Actually, it's gonna do like space. I'm gonna write minus 1.5. See, it's gonna be like this. Great, I'm gonna make it 3. Here I'm gonna make it minus 240. Here I'm gonna make it minus I'm gonna make -1 for y. No, x 1 4 5. Let us see. Now we are gonna put this here. I'm gonna take on events. When flag is clicked again, we are going to control. Yeah, wait, yeah. Here repeat and wait until 1 minute. Stop all that. Now we are going on sensing. We are going touching mouse pointer. Put it inside wait until. Change this mouse pointer and let it check. Now let us see what's going to happen. Moves. Egg is moving. When it touches the chick, stop the game. Okay, then let's go on the chick again. We are going one flag. We are going one flag clicked. We are going sets. We're going variables first. Change this score. You can rename it. I write it score. It's best score, and one flag is clicked. Set score to 0, and then we're gonna make a variable. Wait, okay, I'm gonna make a variable. Yeah, I'm already make score, so I clicked it started here. See the score, it's here. Now, if you want to duplicate the egg, actually you can duplicate it. To be more harder, you can duplicate the egg if you want. To be more hard. 2 eggs are going to move in one. Okay, the same here is the same there. Okay, but I'm gonna make only 1 egg. Your wish. You can make 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, how many you want. Okay. Now, if there is anything hard with you, you can tell me in the comments. And if my project is nice, please subscribe, like, and comment. Now you're going to see how the project is doing. 1 minute. I'm gonna let this chick settle down. And starting. The egg is going to rotate. When the chick go up, 1 score has game. See, it stopped because I touched the egg with my beak. See, if I see, it stopped because I touched the chick. Okay, thanks. I wish the video is good. Thanks very much. Bye. See you next time.